how to scale your service business without growing your team. Scaling is not for everyone. It requires a stable business, strong industry position, and excellent human resources. But what if you could scale your services without growing your team? If you are new to this channel, we provide high-quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. Many companies have come to realize that by including digital products that require little to no human interaction to sell or deliver, they can scale their income without hiring more people. This sounds like the holy grail for business. People who don't want more stress and more people to manage. Here are some ideas that will help you add and offer to your business that scales your income but not human resources. Find the problem. If you are a dentist, importer, or even a service provider, is there a gap in the market for informational products? Can you create an informational ebook, video, training, or PDF guide to help your clients resolve a common problem? For example, do your patients need help teaching their kids how to brush their teeth? Do they struggle with home whitening solutions that sell? If you import baby food, can you put together an ebook about weaning? Or if you sell services, can you teach your clients what you sell matters whilst helping them resolve a common problem? A digital product that answers these questions is what you need to sell. Ebooks. Ebooks are a great way to package your knowledge because they can also be printed and sold or shared as a physical product. They also make great Christmas gifts for your clients and help you spread the awareness of your business. Video training. A video training series is a great trust builder. By watching you on video, people get to trust you. This makes them more likely to buy what you sell in your non-digital side of your business when the time is right for them. PDF guide. PDF guides are great because they help you separate the browsers from the action takers on your website. A guide that supports your target audience to get something done is going to help you separate those that are interested from those that are taking action already. These people are much more likely to buy from you for two reasons. They already bought from you, and they are taking action now. The great thing about creating digital products that scales automatically is that you need very little input to help it scale. And when you find that product that needs little input, appeals to the same audience as your main business, and can reach larger audience internationally, you will truly have found the holy grail for easy scalability. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at how to add more resilience through additional income streams for your business. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.